Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Mailerlite to Duda. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on the Integrations option. Scroll down and click here, then scroll down and select Zapier. In the top left corner, click on the Try It Out option. Now click here. Click on Add Step. In the search bar, type Duda and select it. Go back to the Mailerlite setup. Complete the Trigger Event option. Sign into your Mailerlite account. Complete the test step. Move on to the Duda setup. Complete the Action Event option. Sign into Duda with your email. Enter your email and password, then log in. Complete the configuration step. Finish the test step. Finally, click on Publish, and you're done. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.